Hello, dear kids. Today I'm going to be introducing you possessive noun. Yes, what I'm going to teach you today? It's possessive noun. The same module you have in your English grammar book on chapter number 5. Okay, so let's have a look at the spelling first. It's Possessive. Possessive. Now let's first understand the term. Nouns that show ownership and possession. What do you mean by possession and ownership? Possession or ownership means to have something. आपके पास किसी चीज़ का होना. Okay, for example, I possess a marker. Okay, so first is singular possessive. Add s to singular words to show possession. Example: dog's collar, sister's bag, car's engine. It's dog plus s. Here we have used s to show the possession. Whose collar it is? It is dog's collar. Whose bag it is? It is sister's bag. So we have added sister plus s. You can see here car plus s, car's engine. Alright. Okay, the next one is if a singular word ends in s, it is still necessary to add s. If a singular word ends in s, कोई भी singular words है जिसके end में s है, it is still necessary to add s. आपने उसके last में भी s को add करना है just to make it in the possessive form. Alright, like Charles Snickers. So it will be Charles plus s. Write the name Charles, then apostrophe, then s. Buses, dresses, bus plus s. Buses, tires, bus, apostrophe and s. Okay, bus plus s. Now moving on towards plural possessives. Plural possessives, if you have added s to make a word plural. As you all know that we have done earlier the noun numbers. In that I have told you that most of the plural nouns are formed by adding s. ज़्यादातर जो plural nouns होते हैं वो कैसे बनाए जाते हैं? s add करके. So see in the example like as in cat, cats. Okay, then adding s will sound ridiculous. So if already it is given there s, then if you once more add there s to show the possession, it will, the sound will be ridiculous. बहुत ही अजीब सा sound देगा वो. It will be quite weird. बहुत अजीब सा sound होगा वो, right? So in that case add only the apostrophe to the end of the word. So in that case what will we do? उस केस में हम क्या करेंगे? We will just add a apostrophe. Okay, like dogs, it is already given in the plural form. See, dogs, so we will only add a apostrophe. So dog plus a apostrophe. Sister's bag, no need to add s because already s is already given. So sister's bag, sister plus apostrophe. Car's engine, car plus apostrophe. So means to say, if a noun is given in the plural form, you just have to add a apostrophe. Alright, okay. So now, however, just like singular possessives, plural possessives that don't end in s, we add s to it. All plural forms are not formed by adding s only. Some are quite different. Just like as child, the plural of child is children, the plural of tooth is teeth, right? Goose, geese. So these are some uncommon plurals. So in that case we add s at the end of the word, like see children. So we will add apostrophe and s. Children's homework. Children plus s. Fish. The plural of fish is fish. So fishes bowl. Fish plus s. Octopies tentacles. Octopi plus s. Yes, next is if two people on something together use an s after the second person only. See, if we are talking about one thing and we have two owners for the same. Suppose I have a pen, okay, but two owners are there. Means इसको रखने वाले दो बंदे हैं. So we will add only s at the second name, like Joe and Mary's car is new. Means one car is there but two owners we are having here. Means Joe and Mary जो हैं वो उस कार के owner है. So we will add a s with the second name, like Joe and, don't write Joe's and Mary's, no, because there is a single thing and two peoples on it. So John and Mary's car is new. If two people on two separate things, add s to each name. See, if two peoples, we are talking about two peoples in a sentence and both the peoples have two separate things, और दोनों की अलग अलग चीज़ें हैं, दोनों का अपना अपना अलग अलग things हैं वहाँ पे. So okay, so we will add s with both the names. Like for example, Laurie's and Megan's nails are painted with the same color. Okay, so here Megan's nails are differ and Laurie's nails are separate. So that's why we have added apostrophe plus s with both the names. Okay. Next is there are some names that end in a z sound. In that case you may add either a s or an apostrophe to show the possession. See, there are many names in English which sound z, like Jesus parables, Jesus's parables. So both will be considered correct if the sound is z. अगर z का sound आता है उसके last में तो you can do in both the manners. आप दोनों तरीकों से ही कर सकते हैं. Both are correct. You can use apostrophe only. You can use apostrophe plus s also. Okay, both will be correct. Few examples are there, like Moses, Charles Dickens. Okay, so it gives a sound of z at the end, so we can use both the forms to show the possession. Okay, I hope this module on possessive noun helpful in making you possessive nouns. Unknowingly you have used this noun before even. Let me give you an example. When your teacher leaves the bottle in your class and goes to other class and you asked one another whose bottle is this. जब कभी भी आपकी क्लास में टीचर अगर कोई अपना सामान छोड़ जाती है, फॉर एग्जांपल बॉटल ही छोड़ गए हैं और दूसरी क्लास में चले जाते हैं, तो आप एक दूसरे से पूछते हैं ना, लाइक हुज बॉटल इज़ दिस. देन व्हाट विल बी योर आंसर? यू विल से सोनाली मैम्स बॉटल, राइट? So you have used possessive noun unconsciously, right? And today you have studied it. I hope I could explain myself to you very clearly today. Please do the worksheets attached to the module, okay? Don't write the rules in your fair notebook. Just do the worksheets only that I am sending you today. Take care of yourself. Thank you.